Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of your Tinder account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation icons. Tap on the profile icon to access your personal Tinder profile page. This is where you can view your photos, bio, and all the information that other users see when they come across your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to open up all of Tinder's settings and configuration options. This is your control center for managing everything related to your account preferences and privacy. After the settings menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Take your time navigating through the list as you move toward the bottom of the settings page. This is where Tinder places account management features that aren't used as frequently in day-to-day interactions. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the logout option. Once you spot it, tap on it to begin the logout process. This action will prompt Tinder to prepare your account for signing out while giving you some additional options to consider. Now here's an important decision point. After tapping logout, Tinder will present you with two distinct options. The first option is Forget Me on this device, which completely removes all your login information and account data from your phone. This is ideal if you're using a shared device or want to ensure complete privacy. The second option is Remember Me on this device, which keeps your login credentials saved so you can quickly log back in later without re-entering your phone number or other details. This option is more convenient if you're the only one using your phone and plan to return to Tinder soon. Choose whichever option best fits your situation by tapping on it, and that completes the logout process. You've now successfully signed out of your Tinder account with your preferred privacy settings applied. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.